What's the meaning of black-eyed bean? Black-eyed bean. Black-eyed bean.
Black-eyed bean. Black-eyed bean. Black-eyed beans, also known as black-eyed peas or cowpeas, are a type of legume that is commonly used in many cuisines around the world. These beans get their name from the characteristic black spot on each bean where it was attached to the pod. Black-eyed beans are a good source of protein, fiber, and various nutrients including iron, potassium, and folate. They are popular in Southern American cuisine where they are often used in dishes such as Hoppin' John and black-eyed pea salad. Additionally, black-eyed beans are also used in African and Indian cuisine, and can be found in dishes such as akara and chole.